golden, soft, and buttery. This braided sweet bread is easier than it looks. With just a few simple ingredients, you'll make a beautiful loaf that's soft, fluffy, and irresistible. Start with 350 grams of flour, 88 grams of sugar, 7 grams of yeast, 11 grams of salt, 44 grams of butter, 3 eggs, 88 milliliters of milk, mix until well combined. The dough will be sticky after mixing. Flour your workspace. The dough will be sticky at first. Keep kneading until it becomes smooth and elastic. Put it in a clean bowl, cover, and let it rise for about 1 hour or until double in size. Once risen, place the dough on a lightly floured surface and divide it into 4 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a long stick about 35 centimeters. Pinch the ends together and twist them into a braid. Once you have the braided dough, cut it into half, then tuck the cut edges underneath to make 2 small loaves. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. Brush the dough with milk and sprinkle coarse sugar on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 130 Celsius for about 30 minutes or until golden brown.